car now.
那么带，哎，对，是吧？哎，哇，这是楼就把它绑着，对上小孩，而且呢。
This is Master Zhang's son. He's teaching these two boys how to deliver a powerful punch. The staff and the flail are really dangerous. That doesn't seem to bother Xiaohua. This boy thinks she's good. What are the boys up to? They seem to be plotting something. Let's see how high Zhang Zheng's leg will go.
快是，快长，二茄子，踹，二茄子一回头你对我，看我这发不出来了吗？发扔的去。
Xiao Gui has just been hit in the eye. It's easy to get hurt if you don't concentrate.
看嘛，站住，哎，哎，不着了吧？
Master Zhang has a look. Come on now, he says. It isn't even bleeding.
这边，干啥？再刀，再刺刀。
He's firm, but kind too.
刺枪，再刺钉。
Little Plum has never had a kung fu lesson before. She's only 6.
阿妹，两对齐，两对齐着。哎。
Master Zhang says, your grip must be as tight as eagle's claws. Your feet must be as firmly set in the ground as a drill. And your eyes must move as fast as a comet. If we can remember these 3 things, nobody will ever dare to hurt us. It's nearly midday, and Master Zhang's wife is gathering grasses so she can light her stove and make lunch for the family. Just look at all those bread rolls she's made. Why so many? The rolls are made of flour and water, and she has spent 2 hours making them. Grandmother Zhang will steam the rolls for 20 minutes, and she won't need to make any more for a week. There's no coal anywhere near us. People have to heat the stove with what they can find in the fields. That's why she makes as many rolls as she can at a time. To get the stove hot enough, Grandmother Zhang uses the bellows. Little Plum does not want to give up, even though she's getting very tired. Xiao Chao and Zhang Feng are still full of energy. The land in our area isn't good for growing crops, and so all the farmers are quite poor. Our parents can't afford to pay Master Chang to teach us Kung Fu, so we all try to help him as much as we can. Don't ever use your Kung Fu to pick fights, Master Zhang shouts. He then reminds us of the basic rules. You strike fast enough to catch the devil. You move as softly as ripples on the water. You defend every inch of the soil under your feet. Get these 3 rules into your head, he says. Now it's time for us to go home to help our parents and to have a rest. Little Plum has to collect the eggs every day. Her father has made her a long-handled spoon. Her brother, Xiao Gui, has to take care of the bullock. Now our work is over. It's time for some more fun. This is where the village farmers dry out the corn and wheat after the autumn harvest. It's called a winnowing ground, but it's our playground as well. We all meet up here to learn new tricks. Sometimes it takes a lot of practice to get things right. Supper is over and Xiao Chao is on his way somewhere. We're all off to Master Zhang's house for a really special treat this evening. Master Zhang has invited us all to watch a Kung Fu video so we can relax before the big show tomorrow. We love Kung Fu films, but don't get to see them very often. Not many people in our village have video machines. None of us has ever been to a cinema. Master Zhang says, "Look, Master Huang is teaching the baddies a real lesson. You must all be good." Kung Fu films are always exciting. Everyone enjoys watching them. We even join in with the singing. The big day has arrived, and we've been up for some time. We've got all our equipment ready, our swords, our staffs, and flails. We scramble onto the tractor that will take us to the county headquarters, where the show will take place. In the countryside, we often use tractors to get around. Our journey today will take about half an hour. The nearer we get to the county headquarters, the more nervous we become. We really want our Kung Fu display to go well. Here come Laozi, a local opera team. And there is Yangge, a group of folk dancers. Farmers and their families from miles around have come to watch. Sometimes it's not easy to get through the crowds, but they always find a way. Some last-minute preparations are often needed. Then the show begins. We're not watching this part of the show because we're getting ready ourselves. We all get dressed in our best clothes. Some of us even have special costumes. These beautiful singers and dancers are all farmers' children, just like us. The music is played by local farmers on flutes and a two-string fiddle. Farmers' wives make up the young girl dance group, and it's their turn next.